beets are washed and they're going into the Instapot. I always bottles my beets in the Instapot and they go in for 12 minutes. They come out of the Instapot and gets clean over to the bottles where they get put over air. And as you can tell, I save all manners of sealer bottles. So I'm always saving sealer bottles. Okay. So from there we get the juice added to them and then seal. So it's not a big process, just with the dye from the beets. You gotta keep on top of it because it's a messy process. So anyway, the wife is letting me get this all prepared, and then she'll add the mix, I guess. So we'll be back when we get some pretty well bottom. So what I really like about doing the beets is they're so easy to clean after they're boiled. It's just there you go, clean beet. I just slice mine into chunks. This is a different variety. Pretty easy to do though, folks. Just cool. Yep, beet peeled. I like them after they get a little bit of time on them. I love them with cooked dinner actually. And when I said that neither one is too small, absolutely true. I like how it's going to the bottom. You're going to get beet juice on your hands, but it won't last long. It won't last long at all. So, let's put them over around the island. Where the liquor will go in them, and they'll get a vat in a tub and some boiling water. Get them sealed. So, that's it. Keep going until you got them all used. 6 minutes left on the pot. And that's the last of them. So, we're getting there. So we got 2 cups of sugar. 2 cups of vinegar. Oops. for me. Two cups of beet juice. Some people use the water. I put back in the beet juice. Now I'm taking to fill all them bottles. This is going to take more than this first mixing, but we'll get this one done. And we'll see how it goes. Because here's my bottle. 25 bottles. So they're getting done. Anyway, don't forget to give them a nice 20-minute hot bet, and then let them sit. And when they pops, they're ready to go in the pantry. So there we go, 23 bottles of beets. Now they're added, the juice is added with the recipe. Just it's all just 1 to 1. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1 cup of beet juice. Or if you want to use water, you can. But all I gotta do now is wait for those guys to start popping. So there we go, folks. Thought I was gonna get the wife on here with me, but she's always a little camera shy. She helped me put the lids and that on, but she ran away when it come time for me to do the video. So from the garden to the bottle and processed, so this is going to be delicious when it comes time to heat them, and using the beet juice makes them really nice and red. So that's the key. Take the tops long and use your beet juice, and you got a nice red beet. So the next morning, when you're ready to take them down to the basement, just push on the lids. There's 2. So if you hears that on your lid, he's not sealed. So we can reheat this one, change to another bottle, or reheat it because it is used bottles, remember? So out of everything that never sealed, one will go in my fridge, and this nice big one will go down to Mama. She'll really enjoy that one. So as for the rest of them, it's the next day, and it's good to get them all ready. Take them down in the pantry where they sit, and you enjoy them throughout the winter. They can last probably up to a year, maybe 2 years in the pantry easy. So there you go. Not bad for old feller. Beets all bottled on the shelf in the pantry for the winter. So I really like using, like I said, assorted bottles. It gives me a sense of that I'm recycling and reusing something instead of it going to a landfill. And if you just wash the rubber seals and boil them, they seal again great. So I use them over and over, and so do Doreen. So there's the winter beets that was sitting in the garden. So from Bob the Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock. This is an easy beet recipe, and you'll really enjoy it. Anyway, from Bob the Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.